Hello everyone. As you can see, I have built up a sweat today. I've been working hard in my garden, rearranging some things around in the yard. But I first one I want to show y'all, look at this. I have my lemons have sprouted up. Look, I got two of them sprouting up there. Didn't take long for the lemons to start growing. Look at my dill getting bigger. I'm gonna have to put it in a bigger pot. Look at my tomatoes over there. They still growing big, still green. Got some new blooms coming up on them. As you can see, I have moved all my raised planter beds from these pallets over to the side of my yard. Took them off the concrete. Got them all over here. It took us a while to get this over here. I had to go rent one of those pallet jacks to pull it over here. Spinach still growing. Got celery coming up, sprouting up there. Look at these cabbages. Oh, they're getting big. I don't know why they call this red cabbage because it looks purple to me. Got some of the regular cabbage growing there. There's some more of my collard greens. They're coming up, looking good. Yes. Oh, look at that waltz in there. Get out of there, waltz. Okay. Got some of my garlic coming up in there with the collards. Over here, here's my red mustard greens. They sprouting up. And my artichoke. Look at my artichoke over here. Okay, artichoke. I'm gonna have to get y'all in some bigger containers soon. Red mustard greens, y'all looking good. I'm glad I moved them over to this side of the yard because it's kind of shaded over here. And in the middle of the concrete area, the sun would be beaming on everything real hot and start burning up the leaves and making some of them bolt and go to seed early. So I'm glad I moved everything over here. Romaine lettuce still looking good. Here's another container of collard greens. My family loves these collard greens. And that's some more spinach. Look over here, all of these blooms with my okra. Look at those flowers looking so beautiful. Got a lot of blooms coming up there. Still got some okra growing in December. Look at that. Look at that. Okra still growing in December. Look at that. Okay, okra. Yes. Looking beautiful. Okay, still have my little hoop house here. I hadn't put my plastic up yet. I got a lot of weeds I got to get in there and get out. Had my green beans growing here, but the weeds done took over. Pineapples. I'm gonna do what the guy has suggested on YouTube to add some calcium tablets into the crown of these pineapples, and this should help them to bloom. I'm gonna try to get that next week and add that in there. Okay, the cucumbers done died out. Okay, I moved over here my bell peppers. Look at these bell peppers. Look at that. In December, got a lot of blooms coming up on them. Yes. I see you. Look at this one, got a little flower on it. Okay, bell peppers. Continue to grow in December. Continue to grow in December. Or should I say January, because we're going to start 2022. Okay, look at my eggplant still growing here. Look at you. I got some blooms on you. I hope you like the new area I put you in. Continue to grow big and beautiful for us. Look at my carrots. Carrots get full here. And soon, I said I was going to wait till January, mid-January, instead harvest them. Still have some of my zinnias popping up looking beautiful. And look at you. Look at you down there. This is supposed to be some lavender, y'all. It took a long time for the lavender to grow, but it's finally coming up. Okay. Now I'm back over here with my collard and mustard green bed. It'll be time to harvest them again. So what I tell you, you just pull off the bigger leaves and let the smaller ones continue to grow, and you can get multiple harvests from each plant. Yeah, it's gonna be time for me to harvest some more of these collard greens. They look beautiful. Yes, yes, yes. Look at this here. Mustard greens can both, but it's getting hot over here for them. Come back cool weather to help them to continue to grow. There's more in the mustard greens. We ain't having too many of these hot days. I think I'm gonna try to get me a little shade area over here. That's this, my lettuce. Look at my lettuce have bolted and gone back to seed because we've been having some hot days. Butter crunch lettuce, and some of the gourmet blend and the salad bowl lettuce. Salad bowl lettuce and the gourmet blend and bolted and went back to seed here. Some more garlic. Everything looking beautiful. Bit Mama's garden. Have a beautiful day and a happy new year to everyone.